Cheesy. GK Tech rubbish. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the S15. We got some new parts. Oh yes! So here we go, Serial 9 shifter. As you can see, we're going to be installing a new shifter. I currently have a GK Tech and I'm not going to lie, I'm not feeling it anymore. It's not the best, it rattles. I go from 4th expecting to hit 5th and I go to 3rd. That's the worst thing you can do. Money shifting can cost you an engine. So time to upgrade. I want to shout out HP Works for supplying this for me, and I'm going to give you guys my feedback on how it is. So let's get it installed. All right, so what we got in the box, the shifter knob. Sounds hella camp, but basically that's the gear shifter knob. You got a bracket for it to be lined up. You got the adapter from the gearbox to the shifter. And then in here is the money. Oh, look at this. That looks perfect. Can't wait to get this on. It might be a little bit awkward fitting this because the gearbox is not coming out. So we'll see how we get on. I'm pretty sure we can do this. It's no big deal. But yeah, we'll get it on. And what we'll do is we'll go for a blast and then I'll give you guys my honest opinion on Serial 9, whether it's better or not. But I've heard good things about it, so I'm buzzing to get it on to see exactly what it's like. So we're gonna start by releasing the gear shifter up top. So we gotta get this off. Yeah, basically just gotta get this all loose and then we're gonna lift the car up and then do the rest of it from underneath, obviously because it goes onto the gearbox. Pull this all off. I mean, the GK Tech was good to me, but I don't know, man. It's got its downfalls, you know, when it comes to the rattling, you know. I don't want to have to hold the gear shifter to stop the rattling noise. It's bugging me now. So that's one of the bad things about it. And the second bad thing about it is sometimes it's hard to select the gears, you know. The way they designed it, it's not the best. So that's the downsides of the GK Tech, but the good sides of the Serial 9, it's got a proper frame and the way it's designed, you can't actually miss a gear or anything like that. It's all proper, like, designed well. And apparently they don't rattle as well, which is very important. Do these. The one thing I love about these cars, man, they're so simple to work on. It's not like the new cars where you have to strip 1,000 panels just to get to one thing. This is really basic. So yeah, that's one good thing about the S-bodies. Simple cars to work on, good for anyone. So I've been told by one of the boys that have just fitted the Serial 9 shifter, he struggled to get this boot back on. So I'm gonna make sure that I can do the best I can to get it on, you know what I mean? I don't wanna have to not put the parts back correctly. So let's see what he ran into. We'll run into that issue when we come to fitting it. Pop this off. Okay, so that's what he couldn't get back on. 1 second, I lost one of my nuts. Now that we can access the GK Tech shifter, what we're gonna do is we're gonna crack it all loose, take out the shifter rod. We're gonna take out the shifter rod and basically make it so when we lift the car up, we can take it out basically. The reason why there's a lot of grease here is because GK Tech advised to put more grease so it keeps it quiet. And as you can see, I've loaded it up with grease because I didn't want that noise. All right, so we're gonna lift the S15 up now and tackle the rest of it from underneath. Cheesy. So, all right, cool, we can access this bolt and this bolt. We've got a bolt here and a bolt there. So if I drop the gearbox down with this mounting, hopefully we can somehow do the thing, you know? All right, cool. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna release the bottom bolts for the bracket, because obviously we can access them from here. And then we're gonna bring the car down, go to the top again, get the top ones undone, and then get the new shifter hopefully mounted nice and simply. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tackle the top bolts. I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna use this because I think this will do the job nicely. All right, let's go inside the car now, release the top bolts for the shifter and get this piece of shit out of the car. Had enough of GK Tech. It's a lot more awkward doing it with the gearbox in the car, man. It doesn't, nah, man, it's really awkward, but at the end of the day, I'm not gonna just take my gearbox out to fit a shifter in it. Like, that's just, if you do shit like that, it means you have no life, innit? I've left it resting on the prop shaft. So GK Tech rubbish. So now I need to basically get like a thin punch, and I need to knock out a pin that basically sits on the gearbox. So I need to smash that out now, but there's not much space. So hopefully I can get it out and then, yeah, get the Serial 9 one on. Bello, Bash knows the struggle. Oh yeah, come out. You guys don't get to see that bit. Yes! Cheesy, cheesy. All right, cool. Need to get this one on. See? See, brother? You see this one? Without this man behind the camera, yeah, I can't lie, sometimes I'd be lost, innit? I'll be honest, man, real talk, innit? Man like Bash, after watching me do all of these crazy things, yeah, I can give him tools and I'll say service that and he'll do it with his eyes closed, innit? Oh yeah, we're in business. Shifter is on. We had to jack the back to spin the prop shaft to make access for us to like do a madness. If you're gonna fit this on your car, good luck. That's what I'm saying, innit? You might be better off taking the gearbox out, it'll be quicker. Nah, it's not that deep, but yeah, we managed to do it. Shout out to Bash. Time. That's it. MTV's out. All right, so on the final stages now, this bolt didn't line up to the gearbox thread. So what I done was I bent the Serial 9 shifter bracket out. And as you bend it out, it makes the hole so you can put the bolt going downwards, and then I just tightened it in. Nothing's cross-threaded. As you can see, everything's going nice and easy. As you can see, I didn't want to cross-thread anything. So yeah, we'll go to the other side now, do the same. Now that we've tightened the gearbox shifter, we're gonna put back the prop shaft. We drop the screws out of the mounting point in the middle just to make it easier. Tighten that all up, drop the back end down, and then yeah, start to do the top, and then we're done. Final stages, man. This ramp has been up and down about 20 times. Just got to tighten these two properly now. All right, guys, so if you want a Serial 9 shifter fitted, hit me up. You know, it's no problem. We got the ramp. I'll do it for you, no issues. Now I know how to do it. This is my second one that I fitted. And yeah, we'll get it done for you. So drop a comment down below if you want a shifter fitted, or if not, just hit me up on Instagram. We'll get it done. All right, guys, super happy with the location of the new shifter. Sits perfect in the middle. Managed to get the rubber gaiter as well around it. Yeah, it seems good. Nice short throw. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see this clearly, but it's called a Polaroid picture. Literally at the show yesterday, Japfest. Oh yeah, by the way, we'll roll a little montage of Japfest. That was pretty sick. pacemaker media for the little Polaroid, nice little touch. So something I can keep in the glove box. So yeah, shout out to you guys. Peace. I'm happy. First gear. Second gear. Oh, I'm buzzing. Yeah, no, honestly, already I can tell. If this was my GK Tech and I put it in fourth gear, put my foot down, you would hear like the gearbox the shifter rattling. All right.
It's not there. It's so much momentum. It's
Yeah,
not there.
I can't believe it. Like bash.
Before it was making a clear blade. So.
Yeah, man. Like now, goes into sixth gear, fifth gear, fourth, third. Stop. Check if it goes into reverse. We got reverse. Yeah, come on, baby. Fuck me, bash, bruv. Tunnel vision, bruv. Bro, it's like, bow, like that. Bruv, disgusting. Bruv, that's low boost, man. Bruv, that's fucked.
That's bad, man.
Bruv, them shifts are disgusting. Bro, it's so direct.
Yeah, bang straight.
It's like bang straight, bro. By the time I change gear, like, by the time,
automatic from
bro, literally, it's like DSG. This shit's like DSG, man. Bro, this is a madness. Oh my days, I can't believe how direct it is. Do you know what? This shift is doing bits, man. GK Tech is like, don't even waste your money, man. Seriously, you pay £250, yeah, for a GK Tech, put another 250 and you can get this.
Oh.
Yeah, man, it's worth it all day long. Why buy a GK
That's
Tech?
such a big improvement.
Yeah, man, like my GK Tech will be rattling its ass off now,
Hello.
making bare funky noises. But this is like, look, second, third, fourth. Savage, man. Disgusting, bro. That's disgusting, mate.
Power delivery is
It's power, bro. It's this. Bro, when I change gear, it's on boost. There's no like split second. Yeah. It's just like bang, bang, bang. Literally feels almost like an automatic DSG.
Exactly.
Bruv, that's mad. What a shifter can do.
From that, yeah, one little change.
Yeah, buzzing. Happy, over the moon. Legit buzzing with this. Guys, highly recommend Serial 9. I don't really recommend fitting it when the gearbox is in the car, but either way, you can still get it done. If you want to get it done, just hit me up and I'll do it for you. But yeah, 1010, shout out to HP Works for supplying it. Shout out to Serial 9 for making a bad boy shifter. I think we're gonna cut the video there, man. I'm over the moon. No rattles, no funky noises. Chilling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, comment, do all of that business, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.